Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're actually doing something exciting again. Oh my gosh, we're doing an experiment, an exciting experiment. So you might be wondering, what experiment are we doing? Well, we're going to be upgrading from Windows XP to 11. So let's get started. We're going to create a brand new virtual machine, and this virtual machine will be very important. So we're going to be starting off with Windows XP, and we're going to make this Windows XP to 11, and then we're going to do that, and we're going to give it 300 gigabytes of storage, because why not? And also we're going to be giving it 2 gigabytes, actually 4 gigabytes of RAM. We're going to give it 2 CPU cores, and we're going to put in our nice ISO image for Windows XP. So yeah, this will be pretty nice. This is Windows 8, so we're going to go to Windows XP, and we're going to put in our Windows XP Home Edition Service Pack 3 ISO. So we're going to now click on finish, and we are going to get Windows XP installed. Now the thing about the Windows XP thing, it's going to take a really long time to get the operating systems installed and stuff. So I figured, why don't we just do a time lapse of this, because well, we're gonna have to do a time lapse anyway. So yeah, we're just going to be doing a time lapse of installing these different Windows versions. Now, if you don't know the plan for today's video, we're going to be doing a couple of things. First, we're going to be installing Windows XP, obviously, and then we're going to be grabbing all the necessary things like VMware Tools and Supermium. That's the only two things we're going to get. And then we're going to be upgrading to Windows Vista. And after we upgrade to Windows Vista, we are going to check if our files are there. I'm also going to make like a text document so that we can, track our progress and stuff. So anyways, we are going to upgrade to Windows Vista after this. Then we're going to make sure that everything stays normal and everything's fine. And after that, we are going to be upgrading to Windows 7. And upgrading to Windows 7. So after we upgrade to Windows 7, we're going to be doing a little bit of trickery to get to a 64-bit operating system, because our end goal for the Windows 7 to the 32-bit to 64-bit, that's what I'm trying to say. So the end goal for our 32-bit to 64-bit operation is we're going to be starting off with Windows 7 32-bit Home Premium, and we want to end at Windows 8 64-bit Home Edition. So yeah, that's going to be really interesting. So yeah, I don't know what exactly we're going to have to do for this, but yeah, we're going to have to try to find a Windows 8 Home ISO, which if we can't find, we'll just skip to Windows 8.1. So yeah. Anyways, what was it? Okay, so after we upgrade to Windows 7, we're going to be doing some trickery to get to Windows 8 64-bit or Windows 8.1 64-bit, whichever. If we're on Windows 8 64-bit, we will upgrade to Windows 8.1 64-bit, but if we're on Windows 8.1 64-bit, we will upgrade to Windows 10 64-bits. And after we get to Windows 10 64-bits, we will upgrade to Windows 11. Now you might be saying, we probably can't upgrade to Windows 11, and that's because of some issues with with TPM and stuff, and also because Windows 11 will just not work with this virtual machine. So my answer to everyone's questions there is we're going to be upgrading to Tiny 11 64-bit, because well, Windows 11 doesn't have a 32-bit release, so we're going to have to do the 64-bit release. So anyways, that's basically what we're going to be doing, and I'm going to just be doing a time lapse now. So we're going to start the time lapse. Let's go. So yeah, let's go. Anyways, let's get into the out of box experience. I don't know why it's so laggy. But like, okay. Now, if this takes a long time, I'm gonna have to pause the video here and I'll continue like tomorrow. But I really want to hear Tyler the WMA. You can do it. You can hear it. You can maybe hear it. And I don't think you can hear it. I don't think we'll be able to. The next clip is gonna be tomorrow, everyone. So, yeah. Alright, so it's the next day. Let's get started with this. Bro, let's get started. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Alright, so we are loading. Okay, okay. The glorious sound of the Windows XP startup sound. I think we should activate Windows. Yeah, let's activate Windows. Activate Windows. Let's go. I wonder if it still works in 2026. I want to do the telephone. We're going to be doing the telephone activation. We'll take a tour later. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to go to the United States. And yeah, let's activate Windows. So we just have to call this number and then we can activate Windows. So let's go. So yeah, I'll be back after we activate Windows. So yeah, let's activate Windows real quick. Oh, it's in Spanish. That's Spanish now for this. So apparently you can't activate Windows using the phone anymore. That's kind of sad. Okay, so we're gonna activate over the internet. No, I don't want to register. Let's just activate Windows. So you can't activate Windows anymore? I remember doing this though. Like this was, I did this in like 2024, but like, oh my god. Unable to establish a connection. No, we can't activate Windows. I mean, they said to do it from the website, so I don't know. Maybe it'll work. Let's get started. Start. Use the arrows to move the train icon. Okay, what? Submit. and we're done. Okay, so can't sign in. Okay, have to sign in. Proceed to sign in. Sign in. Activate a Microsoft product. Windows. XP. Oh, you can still do it. Yo, you can still do it. No way. You can still activate it. Yo. This is awesome. I'm gonna show you guys. I wanna show you guys the process. Oh my gosh. Look, you can activate Windows. Isn't that cool? You have to do it like this now. Okay, so you can still activate Windows, which is good. Okay, that's a good thing. So I'll be back after we activate Windows. And as you can see, we have activated Windows. As you can see, hold on, let me just show you here. We have activated Windows. Nice. That is awesome. Thank you for contacting Microsoft. Okay, so now we have an activated copy of Windows XP. Let's take a short little tour.
Welcome to Windows XP from Microsoft, the new version of Windows that brings your PC to life. Experience the best. Experience Windows XP. See for yourself how easy Windows XP is to use. Take this brief tour. Safe and easy personal computing. Thanks to Windows XP, personal computing just got a whole lot easier and more fun. Unlock the world of digital media. Windows XP is your ticket.
Yeah, so you can basically spend a lot of time in here. So let's set the screen resolution. We're going to set it to 1920 by 1080. Obviously. Why is my computer lagging? Strange. Okay. And we're going to click on yes. I would like to. Oh my gosh, my computer. No, it reset. Oh gosh. I mean, are we still running at 60 FPS? Surprisingly, yes. We're gonna go to properties and we're going to go back to settings. And I don't know what's lagging my computer, but oh my gosh, it's really not good. Oh no. No, it's going off the screen. Oh gosh. No. Don't go there. Okay. Make it to settings. We clicked on settings. No. Click on settings. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now we gotta move the cursor again. Oh my gosh, this feels terrible. Okay, so now, okay, there we go. Now we're back. Okay, 1920 by 1080. Click on OK, and we click yes. And now we move the recycle bin down to here. To here. Yeah, there we go. So now what we can do is we can create a log. So we're going to create the log. Oh my gosh, we're back with the stupid lag spikes. So we're gonna call this log. And we're going to open it. That is not what we want to call it. There we go. Your computer might be at risk. Yeah, because it's a Windows XP. Anyways, we're going to go to Format, Font. We're going to increase the font size to 18. And we're going to type out Windows XP. We're going to installed this on February 13th, 2026 at unknown time. So now we are going to get Windows Vista installed. Yeah, so I already have downloaded a Windows Vista ISO. Anyways, let's run WinVer, I guess, if you want to check out anyways, this is WinVer. As you can see, it sounds really nice. So yeah, now we are going to go over to our virtual machine here, and we are going to put in our ISO. So our ISO, we're gonna go into, and we're gonna go browse some files, and we're gonna go to Windows Vista, and we're gonna go Windows Vista Service Pack 1, not 64-bit, 32-bit, because this is a 32-bit install of Windows. Then we're gonna press this. Setup cannot run this version of the operating system. What do you mean? Don't tell me. Setup cannot run on this version of the operating system. Wait, what version are we on? Hold up now. What the? We're on Service Pack 3. So you're telling me we can't upgrade to Vista Service Pack 1 from XP Service Pack 3? Oh my god. I'll be right back, everyone. Alright, we're back with a different ISO. So yeah, we are using Windows Vista All-in-One x86 Service Pack 1. Oh my gosh! Stop lagging! Oh my gosh. Anyways, let's go. And now we can click on install now. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's going off the thing. Oh, no. Come on. Install now. Let's go. Please, we need to get the Vista. We need to get the Vista. We need to get to oh my gosh, this is cursed. What is this? What is this? Oh gosh. Okay, anyways. This is really cursed, isn't it? Okay, no, it's not. Now we're back to normal, and we are not going to get the latest updates. Do not get the latest updates. Product key. We can skip the product key. Yep. Okay, so we're going to be skipping the product key. Typing your product key for activation. Yeah, no, what if we don't? Okay, so now we're going to go for Windows Vista Home Premium, not Home, oh my god, Home Premium. I've selected the version of Windows I purchased, and next. Oh no. Oh, okay, good. So I accept the license terms, and next. There we go. We're going to be doing an upgrade. Perfect. We're going to do an upgrade. At least the option isn't grayed out, but we need to check for compatibility. Please be able to upgrade. Compatibility report. These do not prevent, but some applications. Okay, I'm fine with that. Let's go. And we are now upgrading Windows. So I will be back because I don't want my computer to lag, and it will lag if I keep recording. So yeah. Okay, so we are going to ask me later. No. Okay, fine, whatever. GMT -8, which is the wrong time zone, but whatever, because no one cares what time it is. I think we're GMT -7 or UTC minus. Or no, we're GMT -6 or UTC -6. Greenwich Mean Time, everybody. The United Kingdom. Oh my gosh, my microphone almost fell. Okay. So we should be back. I'll be back once this is done. Yeah. Alright, so we're back. And now we have the Windows 7 ISO. So we're gonna be installing Windows 7. We're gonna go into our nice little thing. Now this is a 64-bit and 32-bit ISO, which is really nice, and I really wanted it because, well, you don't need another Windows 7 ISO after this, do you? I don't think so. Anyways, we are going to go into our Windows 7 folder, which has a bunch of different ISOs, and we're going to be doing our all-in-one ISO, which is a really nice ISO. So now we should be able to upgrade. So we're going to be running setup.exe. We're going to continue on. Thanks UAC. Install now. Setup is copying temporary files. Setup is now starting. And we are not gonna get the latest updates. We're gonna get Windows 7 Home Premium x86. We're gonna accept the license terms. After that comes up, yep, here it is. I accept the license terms. Next. Next. Upgrade. And this is taking a while. Be right back after this is done. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the video right here. Oh, look everyone, it started. So yeah, it's upgrading, and I'll be back when we're on Windows 7. Nice. Alright, so we're on Windows 7 now. We actually got Windows 7 installed on February 14th, but I did not put that in the log, so yeah, we gotta do that now. Also, our font reset, which is strange. I guess the font settings don't change. So yeah, that's strange, isn't it? Anyways, now we're going to say February 14th, 2026. Not 2920. Oh my god, 2026 unknown time. So yeah, well, after this we're going to install VMware Tools and get Windows Aero, because I kind of really want Windows Aero. I don't know why, I just feel like Windows Aero is a good idea. So yeah, let's get Windows Aero, which is a very good idea and something that we should really do. Tools, VMware Tools, and then we're going to click OK. And now, yeah, we're going to open up File Explorer. Run setup.exe. Let's run it. Yes, we want to run it. Autorun actually did not open at the wrong time, which is really surprising for this, you know? Okay, so we are going to install VMware Tools. We're going to do typical install, and let's go install. So yeah, now VMware Tools will install, and yeah, it's going to happen now. So I don't know how long this is going to take. Hopefully it doesn't take that long, and hopefully it works properly. So yeah. Okay. And it's done, so we can just quickly click on finish and we can restart the computer. So yeah, it's pretty nice. And yeah. Okay, so we're restarting now. And we're logging in. And our screen resolution reset for some reason, and it's lagging. Wonderful. Okay, so it's set to 1024 by 768. We want to set it to 1920 by 1080. Now we click OK. And we click on keep changes. And what we're going to do now is we're going to personalize. And we're going to go to Windows 7. The arrow theme. And I don't think it's gonna. Oh, it actually did work. I have a feeling I know why it's lagging so much, and that's because we are on of the Windows XP settings still, which really sucks. Let's go look at our specs of the virtual machine. So let's go to, I don't know, computer. Let's go to properties. And as you can see, we have 4 gigs of RAM, which, I mean, it's fine, but it's like 4 gigs of RAM. And also, this is a 32-bit operating system, yeah, obviously. We'll give this thing more CPU cores, maybe like 4 CPU cores, because, oh my gosh. And we'll give it like, I mean, we can't give it more than 4 gigs of RAM, because we're on a 32-bit operating system for right now. So we're gonna have to do a little bit of trickery with this. And yeah, we're gonna have to do a little bit of trickery on getting this working. But before that, I want to set this to the Windows 7 preset because, well, we're on Windows 7 now. So we're gonna go to options. This version is Windows 7. But I want it to be Windows 8 64-bit so we can actually even get a 64-bit. And we'll also give it 4 CPU cores because why not? We'll try to virtualize. Actually, we'll not virtualize anything. Uh, Sound card. Okay, we're going to. Oh wow, we don't have USB 3.2. Okay, so now we're gonna power the virtual machine back on, and it should work now. Hopefully. What is going on? Hello? Okay, there we go. So now we should boot back into Windows. And our audio is still not working, and there's 2 mouse cursors for some reason. So now, if we go into computer properties, it will now show that we are running a it still says 32-bit operating system. I don't think it knows that we have a 64-bit processor now. Because obviously this isn't a 64-bit pro. Oh my gosh, look at the lag. Why is this thing lag? Oh, why is OBS using 35% of my CPU? Yeah, no, that's cursed. Okay, anyways, we are going to be back after I start the process of us getting to 64-bit because we have to start the process of upgrading to a 64-bit version of Windows. So yeah, I don't know how this is gonna exactly work, but we will have to see. Okay, let's go. Uh-oh, this isn't good. So apparently we can't pause the recording or do anything really. Are we serious? We can't do anything? Oh wow, we seriously cannot do anything right now. Like I cannot, the mouse is basically useless right now. Keyboard shortcuts are not working. Okay, so we are back. It's February 16th, and here is what we are going to do. First of all, we are going to go to the CD drive and put in our ISO because we're going to have to upgrade to a Windows 8 build. So let's get started. Okay, so the next thing we gotta do is we got to make a new folder. Let's just call it Windows. And then we are going to open, and we're going to copy everything except the sources folder over to this folder. So we're going to copy this all here. There we go, it is copying. Wait, no, were we supposed to get a Windows 7? I don't know what we were supposed to get, but like, anyways, there is something there. Okay, so, I'll be back, because I gotta check something. Where, oh gosh, it's laggy. Okay, and now we're going to open up the folder. Very laggy. It's really laggy for some reason. And then we're going to create a new folder called sources. Oh my gosh, it's so slow. New. Oh no, new folder. I'm gonna call it sources if it can. Did it create it or no? I don't think it created it. New folder. Sources. Now we go into sources. What the? Oh wait, no, that's support, not sources. We go into sources and we copy everything except install.win. Yeah, copy here. Copy everything to here. And then I'll do the rest on Friday, I think. Or tomorrow. I'll do it off camera. I don't really know. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to eject this disk. We're gonna have to eject. Then we're gonna have to use a Windows 8 64-bit ISO. Connected. Browse. Windows 8 build. I'm sure we have at least one Windows 8 build, but after, right? I don't think I have one. What build is this? Oh, that's 7822. Okay, so I'm gonna have to get a Windows 8 64-bit ISO. So yeah, we're gonna do the rest tomorrow. Or I'm gonna do it off camera tomorrow, but like we're gonna do the actual upgrade on Friday or tomorrow. I don't know. Okay, so we are back and it's Friday and we have a couple of things. So as you can see, this is our sources folder from the Windows folder that we made with the Windows 8 build. And what we have here is install.wim from an x64-bit version of Windows 8. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be dragging this over to this folder. And there we go. That's in the folder. And then we need to put in our other ISO, which is our tools ISO. So we're gonna do that real quick. Tools. Okay, and then we're going to open folders and new files. And there's a couple of things here. So the first thing we're gonna grab is actually no, we're going to copy over that. Go ahead and control. Show hard controls, you can select the window. And yeah, you can select stuff and show hidden stuff. So what we want to do here is we want to go into sources. We want to go into sources. And we want to go to setup step. Setup step. Wait, is it install or? I don't know what it's called. Install prep. Okay, there we go. So install prep. Click yes. Click yes. Okay, and there we go. Windows 8 with that really strange. Okay, we gotta enter our Florida key. So I will be back. What build is it? I don't know what build is. Yeah. Okay, now this is where we get to use show hide control. So, if you didn't know, we're gonna be using show hide control to get us to upgrade everything. Because right now we cannot keep anything. It's a nothing option. So we're going to click on yes. We're going to click Windows 8 setup. we're going to select this. We're going to click activate. Button keep Windows settings. Show element. We need to show the element part. I want to make sure that it's actually this bit. Okay. I want to make sure. Okay, I'm guessing that's what it is. Oh, okay. Making sure you're ready to install. This may take a few minutes. I hope this works. But it's pro. Oh no. Wait, what? Keep Windows settings and personal files. Alright, let's go then. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'll be back once we're done. Or I'll be back when something interesting happens. So yeah, we're at 10%. So yeah, I'll be back when something interesting happens. Yo, how is this? What is going on? No. Yo, no. We are in the out-of-box experience. What the heck? No, man, there is no way it actually migrated. I hope at least. I mean, we're in the OOBE. Oh my gosh. We're gonna need more RAM. We're gonna need like 8 gigs of RAM. And like, I think it already has 4 CPU cores. Oh, use express settings, please. Finalizing your settings. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, please. Can we do it? Did it work? We're just on a cyan. Yo, we're on the high! We're on the high, let's go! Oh my gosh! Yo! Move your mouse into any corner. Ah, yes, I remember this, you know. It's not working for some reason. I don't know why. Hello? Where's the mouse cursor? Oh, here it is. It's kind of... I think it's broken. What is going on? We're gonna do a control insert. Task manager. Task manager. Enter. Oh no, I don't want to change a password. I wanna go to task manager, bro. Yo! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it worked! Oh, bro. There's no way. What the heck? Oh, yeah, the files are here. This is great. This is great. What's today's date? The 20th. February 20th. And the time is 5:47. Okay. So yeah, that's really good, and I really enjoyed that. That was so cool. Oh my gosh, we are on Windows 8, everyone's least favorite but still favorite operating system. Oh my, we've got the start screen and everything, everyone. Look at this. We've got everything. We are on Windows 8. I didn't know this was possible. I mean, I kind of did. But, like, I didn't know if it was going to work this time. Because something probably was supposed to go wrong with it. But it seemed, thankfully, So, oh my gosh, I cannot believe that. So yeah, the next version of Windows we're gonna be doing is Windows, either Windows 8.1 or we'll just jump straight to Windows 10. I don't know. I mean, I don't really feel like doing 8.1 because 8.1 is just, I don't know. I just really don't want to do 8.1 because, well, just don't. So, yeah, we're going to be going to Windows 10. So, yeah, that's basically it. But first, I'm going to give this virtual machine more RAM because obviously I'm going to have to give it more RAM. So, yeah, I'm going to give it some more RAM and I'm going to give it 4 CPU cores, because that's obviously the perfect amount of CPU cores that I need to give this virtual machine. So, we're also going to set it to Windows 10. We're going to give it just 8 gigs of RAM. We're going to give it 4 CPU cores. And we're going to make the... Oh, it's on Windows... Oh, okay. So, we're going to make it Windows 10 64-bit. We're going to click OK. And performance should increase a lot, maybe, I don't know, but it should. Because, you know, we have more RAM now, and more RAM is obviously a good thing, and we also have 4 CPU cores. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna be upgrading to Windows 10 next, so yeah, because I don't really want to do 8.1. I mean, sure, it'd be more accurate, but like, still. And now we are in Windows 8. Oh, how do we get back to the desktop again? Oh, right. Desktop. Oh, gosh, Windows 8. Well, let's also change the screen resolution because I think we should do that. This is in like the cursed era where we had control panel, but we also had the UWP settings app. Okay. I mean, I don't really... Okay, 1152 by 864 it is. I mean, we can get VMware tools. I mean, we also might need to get VMware tools. I don't know. But I don't think we have to get VMware tools. But, yeah. Okay. Oh, apparently Control-Shift-Escape doesn't open up Task Manager. Now, why is that? I don't really know. So, yeah. We're going to be upgrading to Windows 10. So, let's get into it. You know what time it is? It's time to upgrade to Windows 10. Yeah, let's go. We're going to click on yes, and we are going to perform the upgrade, which is going to be crazy. The craziest upgrade ever. Yeah, it's gonna be insane. I don't know what, oh, there we go. And I'll be back when something interesting happens. So yeah. Okay. Okay, we're done, I guess. Display resolution. Wait, where's Windows 8? What just happened? That's fine. It goes at like 5%. Right now it's 8:13. Okay, so now we save it. And yeah, we are on Windows 10 22H2. We run Winver 22H2. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today's clip. Tomorrow we will upgrade to 11 and then we'll be done with the video. Alright, time to upgrade to Windows 11, but first, we gotta get VMware tools, bro. Okay. Alright, bro. Let's go. Alright, everyone. So it's the next day. It's February 21st. And we are going to be upgrading to Windows 11. So let's get started. Because this should be the... Well, oh my gosh, File Explorer. Yeah, we had some resolution issues. We can't set it to 1920 by 1080. So, that's fine. Anyways, Tiny1125H2. We're going in. Okay, we're going to click yes on the OOBE. And we're going to... Oh my gosh, no! It's lagging! Again, bro, this happens all the time. What is going on? Okay. So, okay, there's the Windows 11 installer. We are going to click on next. Next. We're getting a few things ready. Yeah, we're getting a few things ready. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to be done recording this video. This video is taking forever to make. We started on February 13th and it's February 21st. It took us this long to upgrade through Windows builds. What? What do you mean this PC doesn't... Why? Then tell me why. What minimum requirements? What minimum requirements, bro? What the heck? Come on, bro. Don't. No, this cannot be happening. This cannot be happening, bro. No. No. We were so close. We were this close. No, we were this freaking close. Why? No. Well, we can fix the TPM issue, I think. Right? I hope at least. We can fix TPM. We can fix TPM. Hardware, we can add trusted platform module. No, the virtual machine must be encrypted and using UEFI firmware. Of course, bro. Can we make it get UEFI or no? We can't. It's doomed. No. Well, we can. No, wait, no. I don't want to do that. I don't want to. What is that Windows logo? Control E. Control E. Close the virtual machine. Okay. Now we can go edit the virtual machine settings. And we can change it to Windows 11. Okay. And now that we're on Windows 11, we have to probably add a trusted platform module. Yeah, but we have to encrypt the virtual machine first. Encrypt. Oh my gosh. Cool thing. Oh boy. We gotta encrypt the virtual machine. And now the virtual machine is encrypted. So now we're going to add TPM. And it has to be using UEFI. Of course. Now how do I get it to use UEFI? Well, I really don't know how to get it to use UEFI. So, I mean, we might actually be cooked. We might very much be cooked. But I mean, we tried our best. We definitely tried our best. So yeah, we tried, but we can't really do anything. So yeah, I guess that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. But yeah, we tried our best, and if we do, we might try again later with the TPM thing. But I don't really think it's possible without UEFI or secure boot. We could use the same trickery as last time, but we've gotten from XP to 10, and that's all that really matters, and that's all I really wanted to do. So, like in the beginning, back in 2023. So, I guess that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. So, goodbye everyone.